Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to fix the unavailable videos or hidden issue on YouTube. This usually happens in playlists when these are deleted or private videos are hidden automatically. So without further delay, let's get straight into the fixes. First of all, you need to open your YouTube application on your phone. Then you need to simply log in into your account. It should be that particular account in which you have basically playlists. Now, once you are inside your YouTube application, when you tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, right next to the playlists, you will see the option of view all. So when you tap on view all, you will see all of the playlists that either you have added over here or you have created here. So when you tap on the videos that you have basically added here in your playlist, if you scroll down a bit, you will find one or two videos on which you will be show unavailable videos from the menu. Now, in order to fix it, you can just simply delete the video from your list. For that, you need to tap on the three dots right next to it. After that, you need to tap on the option of remove from the liked videos. This way that video will be removed and you won't be able to view it. But if you want to view the video, what you can do is you can simply tap on the three dots here in the top right hand corner of the screen inside your playlist. After that, you can just simply look for show unavailable videos from the main menu. When you have that option, you will be able to get all of the deleted and the private videos in your playlist. Now, that particular option may not be available in all of the playlists because this can be actually handled by the owner of the playlist. So this is how you can fix the error of the unavailable videos are hidden on YouTube. If this video helped you out, make sure that you drop a like, comment your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.